Here we are in section 2-3 with numbers 1 through 6 and their solutions. So let's start with number 1. It says simplify each fraction. That means we're going to try to take whatever out of the top and the bottom that we possibly can. Let me see with these guys. Oh, I can see that they're both even. So let's divide by 2 and divide by 2. And that's going to give me, let me see, 36 divided by 2. That's 18. And 52 divided by 2, let me see. I know 50 divided by 2 is 25, so that looks like a 26. All right. Hey, they're both even again. It looks like we could divide by 2 and divide by 2, and that is going to give us 9/13. 9/13. Excellent. Okay, the next one, number 2, 27/36. Let me see. They are both in the 3 times tables. Yeah, we can divide by 3 and divide by 3. We get 9/12. Those are still both in the 3 times tables. Divide by 3 gives us 3/4. Oh, we could have divided by 9 at the very beginning. 27 divided by 9 would have been 3, and 36 divided by 9 would have been 4. 3/4 is what that one simplifies down to. Number 3. Wow, 120 and 180. I'm going to do prime factorization because these are big numbers. Some of you might be able to see the zeros. That means 10 goes into them. We could do those both quickly, but let's do it. 10, 12. That's a 2 times a 5, and that's a 3 times a 4, and that's a 2 times a 2. Okay, so on the top, that's 2, 2, 2. Let's highlight all of the ones at the end of the rows. 2, 2, 2, 3, 5. 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. Okay, that's on the top. And then 180. We'll use that same trick. You do 10 times 18. That's 2 times a 5. That's a 3 times a 6. That's a 2 times a 3. So at the end of these, we have, let me see, 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 5. Oh, looks like a lot are going to cancel out. 2, 2, that one 3, and the 5's there. So we have a 2 on the top and a 3 on the bottom. Wow, 120 over 180 simplifies all the way down to 2/3. Great. Number 4. Create each fraction with a denominator, so the guy on the bottom, of 36. So this equals something 36. Can we see what it is that we would have to multiply by? Yeah, we'd have to take 6 times 6 to get 36. So we'll have to do that on the top, times by 6. 1 times 6 is 6. Yeah, so we unsimplified the problem by timesing by 6 and 6 on top and bottom, so we get 6/36. That's the same as 1/6. Good. Number 5. We have, let me see, we're going to equal something over 36. So what do we have to times by? That's the question. Yeah. 9 times what equals 36? 9 times 4 is 36. So that means we'll have to times by 4 on top and bottom, and we get the number 5 times 4 is 20. That's 20 over 36, would simplify down to 5/9. All right, last one, number 6. Okay, this is going to equal something over 36. 12 times what equals 36? If we look back at our times tables, we're like 12 times 3. So we got to times by 3 on top and bottom. That's the rule. So we have 10 times 3 is 30. 30 over 36. Excellent.